Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes, Mr. Always Add Value, Mr. Dabbling Fuckery, the Labadicion, big old blessing. Today, man, I'm gonna give y'all a tour, day in the life of overseas contractor. I live in 2 months in Guam, so give y'all a little tour. So this is where we at. Get to wake up every day and see this view right here. I don't know if y'all can see all the way back there. It's like the Hilton Hotel. I stayed at the Hilton for like the first 4 or 5 months I was here. But look at that view, man. Look at that view. Look at that view, man. Look at the mountains. Remind me of DR a little bit, man. I'm an island boy, man. Love the island. Look at that. We got a massage parlor right down there. And trust me, it's one of the few ones here that's a legit massage parlor where you can't get a rub and tub hand job at. I know a lot of my Caucasian and Asian friends, they really like the rub and tub, man. They really like the rub and tub. I didn't know it was a big culture out here. Cats really like the rub and tub. That's hilarious. But anyway, man, I'm gonna show y'all a typical day what I do here in Guam. Mostly it's Saturday. It's Saturday. Typically, just go to the beach and chill, man. I'm gonna hit a hotel bar, have some lunch, tell some lies, you flirt with some old ass women, try to get some social security or something. There's a lot of travel nurses, flight attendants up in here passing through, so yeah, let's do it. All right, so this is what I take with me to the beach. I got my Tommy Bahama chair. I got my towel in there, you know. Got these beers from Japan. It's like wine beer from Japan. The back part come with a little cooler, keep things warm. I might be able to fit one water in there. Let's do one water. Bam. You know, tighten that up. Got me a little, you know, got my little speaker. Gonna put that in the pouch. Like I say, I'm just rocking, drinking my, keep the whiskey in this at the beach. You gotta have a Yeti. All right, let's go to the beach. All right, so I got my Tommy Bahama backpack chair on. You know, just taking it easy. Walking down here to the beach. You know, the blessing don't do no stressing, man, you know. I'm giving y'all a little tour, man. Day in the life, man. Overseas contractor. The wind blowing. You know. Views. Just maintain it, man. I'm gonna show y'all the night view of this. Come up here. You know I'm gonna come up here at night, have some drinks. Only bad thing is they don't want you smoking no cigars up here. Nice little bar. Real sexy at night. The whole spot be lit up. See that spot right there? It's called Club Fox. It's a strip club right there from the crib. This shit like Rodeo Drive right here. You got your Gucci, you got your Louis stores, got your Chanel, Balenciaga, all that. Try to get y'all a little content of this at night. And the young boys say, you got some motion. Got a little motion out here, man. All right, you got your little Outback up there. Outback, you can't go wrong with Outback. Nice view up there. So it's right in Tuman. It's like noon. Clearly went out last night and drank too much whiskey. Hit. You have a lot of Japanese tourists out here. All right, so this is the Westin Hotel. Like I say, I'm more hanging out in the hotel spots, man. I meet a better quality of people at the hotels, man. All right, so you can come to the hotel, get you a membership, have access to the pool, the gym, get a discount at the bar on your meals. Like most places, most hotels. I got spoiled living at the Hilton for them 4 months. Guam is like 80 degrees every day. It's hotter than the version of prom night right now. The elevator remind me of the Westin in Atlanta. Man, there's always a bunch of beautiful women at the hotel. Some of the best food you're gonna get. It's a little windy out here today. The weather's always like up and down. So sun be out, it'll start raining, sun be out. What up, bro? You doing all right today? All right. What up, bro? How you doing today? All right. Beautiful, beautiful beach. Man, you can't beat this. Less than 5-minute walk from the house. Oh shit. I go up there at night. It's a bar right there, Tabaki Tower. It's a nice bar up there at Tabaki. So yeah, it's typical day for me. Hanging out, walking on the beach, bullshitting, find me a place to smoke a cigar at. Got a dog out over there. Gotta have your Vibrams, man. I got the 5-finger Vibram water shoes. Gotta have them from the Little Rocks. Now, if you look over there, that is you'll see the Taboo. A lot of people over there. Fuck it, I think we'll walk over here to the Taboo, man. Let's see what they got going at the Taboo. All right, I made it over here safely. that many tourists. Here you have a lot more families and more tourists. So man, how can you beat this, dog? Got boys who like them Asian women, they out here for you. It's a lot of them little brown machines out here from the Philippines. Some Japanese, some Chinese, Cantonese, Vietnamese. Man, a little Japanese girl over there thick, a little curve on her. I ain't see that, I ain't want to be a creep. Throw the camera over there. That's pretty much what everybody do, like these chicks doing. Get you a cooler, get you a chair, chill with your partner.